Setting up Debank historical data is a straightforward process that allows users to access and analyze past financial transaction data. To begin, users need to create an account on the Debank platform, which is a free and user-friendly interface for tracking and managing blockchain assets. First, users should navigate to the Debank website and click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. This requires providing a valid email address and password, and verifying the account through a confirmation email. Once the account is set up, users can log in to the Debank dashboard and connect their blockchain wallets to the platform. To access historical data, users need to click on the Portfolio tab and select the wallet they want to view data for. Debank supports a wide range of blockchain wallets, including MetaMask, Ledger, and Trezor. Users can also add multiple wallets to their Debank account, making it easy to track and manage different blockchain assets. Once the wallet is connected, users can view their historical transaction data by clicking on the Transactions tab. This displays a list of all past transactions, including the date, time, and amount of each transaction. Users can also filter the data by date range, transaction type, and asset type, making it easy to analyze specific trends and patterns. Debank also provides a range of tools and features for analyzing historical data, including charts and graphs that display transaction volumes, asset prices, and portfolio performance. Users can also export their historical data to a CSV file, making it easy to import into external analysis tools or spreadsheets. To get the most out of Debank historical data, users should regularly update their wallet connections and transaction data. This ensures that their historical data is accurate and up-to-date, and allows them to make informed decisions about their blockchain assets. Additionally, users should take advantage of Debank's analytics tools and features, which provide valuable insights into market trends and portfolio performance. By following these steps and best practices, users can easily set up Debank historical data and start analyzing their past financial transaction data. This allows them to make more informed decisions about their blockchain assets and to optimize their investment strategies for maximum returns.